Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to change a commit message in Git. Let's start with the most common and simple scenario, changing the message of the very last commit you just made. This is perfect for fixing a quick typo or adding information you forgot. The command is git commit, followed by the amend flag. If you just run git commit amend, Git will open your default text editor, where you can edit the message and save it. Alternatively, you can provide the new message directly. You do this by running git commit with amend flag, followed by the m flag, and then your new message in quotes. For example, git commit --amend-m feat add login form. This command does not just edit the message, it completely replaces the old commit with a new one. This is a form of rewriting history. Next, we will look at how to change a message for an older commit, which is a bit more complex. Now, what if the commit you want to change is not the last one? What if it is an older commit? For this, we need to use a powerful command called git rebase. Specifically, we will do an interactive rebase. The command is git rebase, followed by the I flag, and then a reference to the commit just before the one you want to edit. For example, you can use the commit's hash, or you can use ~3 to go back 3 commits. When you run this, your text editor will open. You will see a list of the commits you selected. Each line starts with the word pick. Find the line for the commit you want to change. On that line, change the word pick to reword, or you can just use the letter R. Then, save and close that file. Git will then immediately open a second editor, showing only the message of the commit you selected. Here, you can write your new, correct message. Save and close this second file. Git will then finish the rebase. Your commit message is now changed. This can feel a bit abstract, so let's walk through a concrete example of this entire process on the next section. Okay, let's look at a real example. Let's say we check our log, and we see 3 commits. The one we want to fix is in the middle with commit message feat add user profile typo. To change this, we must start our interactive rebase from the commit before it. In this case, that's the initial project setup commit. So we run git rebase -i, followed by that commit's hash. This opens our first editor. We see our 2 commits listed. We find the line with the typo and change the word pick to reword. We save and close that file. Immediately, Git opens a second editor. This one just has the bad message. We delete the typo, so it now says feat add user profile. We save and close this second file. The rebase completes. Our commit history is now clean. This changes the commit's ID and rewrites history. This leads us to a very important point: what to do if you have already pushed these commits to a remote server. We will cover that in the next section. There is one very important warning we must cover. When you use git commit amend or git rebase, you are not just editing history, you are rewriting it. This means the commit will get a brand new ID. If you have already pushed the old commit to a remote server like GitHub, Git will reject your next push. This is because your local history no longer matches the remote history. To update the remote, you must use a force push. The safest command for this is git push --force with lease. This command is safer because it will check if any of your teammates have pushed new commits to the branch since you last checked. If they have, it will fail, protecting their work. You may also see git push --force. This is more dangerous, as it overwrites the remote branch no matter what. But you must be extremely careful. Never, ever force push to a shared branch like main or develop. This will break the repository for your teammates. Only force push on a feature branch that you are working on all by yourself. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about new content. A link to the code and the markdown file for this presentation is included in the description section below. See you in the next video.